To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to a Tangem wallet, start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the account option at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the Crypto Wallet option, which will allow you to view the cryptocurrencies currently in your account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, USDT, and click on it. Next, click on the Send or Withdrawal button, which may be represented by a robot icon, and then select the External Wallet option. From here, you will need to add the wallet address of your Tangem wallet. To do this, click on the Add Wallet Address link or the plus icon at the top of the screen, and then select the USDT option from the list of cryptocurrencies. If you don't see USDT in the list, you can use the search bar to find it. Make sure to select the correct network for the transfer. Now, open your Tangem wallet and enable the USDT token. To do this, click on the three-dot menu at the top of the screen. Select the wallet option, and then click on Manage Tokens. Find USDT in the list of cryptocurrencies, either by scrolling or using the search bar, and click on it to enable it. Also, ensure that the correct network is enabled for receiving USDT. Once USDT is enabled, go back to the home page of your Tangem wallet. Find the USDT token, and click on it. Then, click on the Receive button to get your wallet address. Click the Copy button to copy the address, and then go back to the Crypto.com app. Paste the wallet address into the required field. Enter a name for the wallet, and click Continue. Next, click on the Withdrawal button next to the wallet address you just added, and then confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Withdraw. You will be asked to confirm the withdrawal, so make sure to double-check that the amount, wallet address, and network type are all correct. It's crucial that the network type matches in both the Crypto.com app and the Tangem wallet, as a mismatch could result in the loss of your cryptocurrency. After confirming the details, you may need to enter a passcode. Once you've done this, the transfer will be initiated, and your cryptocurrency will be sent from Crypto.com to your Tangem wallet.